down in a hole. Yeah. Once I get in here, I have to crawl underneath this ledge and finally get the pump on the generator after I took the housing all apart on it. I swear, in order to be a boat mechanic, you also have to do yoga every day. I am like bound up in here because there's two big blocks I'm sandwiched in between. The way that a marine impeller pump works, you can see one side gets sucked in from here and then discharged from here, and as this guy is moving through here, it gets bent and it creates a low pressure port over here, whereas over here it's creating a high pressure. So it's like grabbing the water from here and shoving it over here into that. I'm all covered in Ajax soap so that I can slide this rubber chunk in here. That's actually the exhaust. All the cooling water gets mixed with the exhaust and gets shoved out the back of the boat. This piece right here is actually the muffler. After it goes through here, the water and exhaust gets lifted up above the water line and goes all the way back, and that's where it exits the hole where we just saw back there. These are also the mufflers for each engine, you know, using conditioner. So cold. 73 degrees. Go to the refrigerator. Bedroom, doo-doo room, shower room, master bedroom. How you doing?